Hey guys, welcome to another exam time for Basic Chinese. And the content for today's exam will be vocabs from lesson 86 to lesson 91. The first question, which one is the Hanzi of Fu? Do you guys still remember or not? A is Ying, B is Shen, C is Fu, D is Si, and Fu is C. The next question, which one is the Hanzi of Ku? You can try to recall first. A is Nian, B is Ku, C is Xian, D is Xu, and Ku is B. The next one, which one is the Hanzi of Nu Li? I will give you time to think first. A is 承认, B is 年代, C is 世纪, D is 奴隶, and 奴隶 is D. Another question here. Which one is the Hanzi of 师父? I will explain it later. A is 师父, B is 过年, C is 利用, D is 利润, and 师父 is A. Let's move on to the next question. Which one is the Hanzi of 开发? Is it A, B, C, or D? A is 工作, B is 开发, C is 薪资, D is 技术. And the right answer for this question is B. Moving on to the next one. Which one is the Hanzi of 罪? You can try to guess first. A is 甜, B is 酸, C is 醉, D is 寒. The correct answer for this question is C. Moving on to another question here. Which one is the Hanzi of 算力? Which one do you think is the right one, guys? A is 算力, B is 航班, C is 分享, D is 贸易. And A is the right answer for this question. And the last question for today. Which one is the hunter of Sheng Yi? Which one do you think is the correct one, guys? A is 夜市, B is 卖光, C is 地方, D is 生意. And D is the correct answer for this question. And that's all, guys, for today's exam. I will see you guys again on our next lesson. Bye!